Hello, I'm Jordan Bentley, one of the attorneys with McIntyre Elder Law, and I want to talk a little bit about guardianship of minor children in estate planning. So normally we talk about guardianship, and I talk about it almost every day. We're talking about elder people, people who may be suffering from dementia or Alzheimer's. They lack capacity due to their health and their age. What about guardianship of minor children in estate planning? Well, there's two types of guardianship. There's guardianship of the estate and guardianship of the person. Right? Guardianship of the estate is someone who is appointed to manage the finances of an individual who either doesn't have capacity or is not 18 years old. Guardianship of the person is where you're the guardian over them, right? You're making personal decisions on their behalf, separate from managing their finances. If you think that you're going to leave a large amount of assets to your child and they're not 18 years old, it's very important that you have put that money in a trust. And you have a trustee in place to manage the money, right? If they're under 18, they can't inherit that money outright, and the court will appoint a guardian of the estate to manage those assets that are coming to your minor child. You can avoid your child having to be the subject of that guardianship hearing or having a guardian appointed by putting that money and those assets in a trust, having a trustee appointed to manage those funds, to distribute them to your minor child according to your wishes. There's also a situation where you could pass away and you could leave your child without a parent, especially if you're a single parent. And there's something you can do, right? In your will or in your trust, you can put a recommendation for who you would want to become the guardian of your child, to take care of them if you pass away. It's not legally binding. The court doesn't necessarily have to follow that, but they will honor your recommendation, and it will be evidence in court of who the right person is to care for your child. So if you don't want to leave your minor child with assets that they're unable to manage, where the court has to appoint a guardian to do that for them, or you don't want to pass away and leave them without a recommendation of who you think would be the best person to take care of them. You want to make that recommendation to the court before it's too late. You can do that in a will, and like I said, you can avoid having someone appointed and guardian of their estate by having a trust and having a trustee appointed to manage those things. So if you're a parent, if you're going to become a parent soon, and you want to talk to us about how to avoid guardianships for your minor children, give us a call at 888-999-6600 or go to mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.
Please don't wait till